Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Fintechfixerksa. In this video I'm going to show you how to add money to your Tiqmo wallet. So let's go. First you're going to search for your Tiqmo app. Yes, from your app store. When you open your Tiqmo app, you see an option of adding money just highlighted there. Tap on it, then go to cards. You're going to use cards. Enter the amount. In this case I'm going to use 1 riyal, so you can enter any amount, 100, 200, 1000, any amount. So let me enter 1 riyal, then I press on add money. When I go on add money, it tells me to select the card, so add new card. From that option I'm going to fill in the card details, the card number, the expiry date, the CVV, which is a 3-digit security code found at the back of your card, and also the exact name that is found on the card. So I'll add there my card number, go to my expiry date. Here you can start by searching for the year. Yes, the year, then you go for the month. Then I also add my CVV. At the back of your card you're going to find a 3-digit number, add it there, and also you set the name on the card, the exact name. So I fill in those details. Yes, as you can see. Then I'm going to tap on add new card. Yes, I'm going to tap on add new card. You add new card. Yes, from that option they're going to tell you to confirm the transaction, so you tap on confirm. Then they're going to bring a screen where they're going to send you an OTP in your messages. So when you check your messages, you'll see an OTP. I'm using Alrahji bank in this case. I'm not supposed to share it to anyone. That OTP there. Then I'm going to type in the OTP from my messages. So I will type it in. After I will submit. After submitting, they will show me that I've added 1 riyal on my Tiqmo account. So simply, that's how you add money to your Tiqmo account. It is as easy as possible, just like that. So when I refresh my Tiqmo account, you see that I've added 1 riyal. My Tiqmo account previously had 0.34. Right now it has 1.34. So using the card method, you can add any amount. And if you still have any confusion how to add money, maybe using the bank transfer method, you can leave a comment, then I'll make my next video about that. Thank you for watching. Follow me, like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bless up.